Hey, good morning. Thought I'd do a quick review of VIAIR virtual air source model 450p automatic portable compressor. So it says it airs up to 42-inch tires. It's about 25 degrees outside now. Thought I would give this a try on one of my 10-ply tires on my dump trailer. I have it hooked to my battery in my Ford power boost, and see the on-off switch here. This unit is very heavy, by the way. It's probably 8 pounds or so. It is not your ordinary little inflator that you buy for roadside assistance that you throw in the background. This is really a professional quality rig here. It comes with pulses, and as you release the pressure, you can see it turns on. It goes up the pressure, it turns off automatically. It's got an inline fuse. And it's got air intake filters. It comes with extra filters for you to change out. And it comes with extra chip adapters for like blowing up air toys or whatever. And let's see, I've got it clipped on already. It's really a good looking air nozzle rig. So if you'll notice, the compressor turns on as I press the button to engage the air. Did you hear that? See the gauge go up? I've only got about 18 pounds of pressure in there now. I'll let up on the button and the compressor will go off. There you go, just went off. As I press the trigger again, it starts pumping, and it's now showing 20 pounds of air pressure in this 16-inch 10-ply tires. I can see the tire going up. I can hear the trailer creaking as it's going up. So let's see how long it takes to actually air up this 16-inch tire. It's going up pretty good. I really like how it doesn't run when you're not actually pumping air. That was my power boost. It's a hybrid truck that just the combustion engine turned off. So it starts up and turns off as needed to charge the battery. Got a few snow flurries dropping, not many, but it is a chilly morning. Alright, we're now up to, let's see, 30 pounds of pressure. There we go, that's better. 30 pounds of pressure. I really like this gauge and air nozzle. Bad boy going on up. Let's see, I generally carry about 50 pounds of pressure. They actually call for, I think, around 80. But I don't carry too much weight in my trailer. It's more of job site debris. And so I really don't put that much weight in it. So I don't run my tires at maximum inflation that it calls for, because it causes a high center on that, the center tread, to wear out really quickly. So I keep it around 50, 55. Okay, we're at about 40 pounds of pressure now, and this thing's really moving along here. I like how it has the clip-on end to go onto the valve stem of your tire, of your wheel. and it's a really tight fit, so it's good. All right, so we're approaching 45 pounds now. I need to go ahead and put a plug in this tire. You know what? There's the hole right there. There's a nail or a screw in this tire right there. Very interesting. About even with the valve stem, so I need to go ahead and plug that. But it's too cold today. I use this trailer primarily just for as a dumpster in our construction company. So the crew brings the debris that we get out of remodeling back here and just throw it in a trailer, and once every couple weeks I'll go dump it. All right, we're at 50 pounds. 50, 53. Let's go to 55. There we go. We're at 55. So I'm going to let up on the trigger, and it'll run for a few seconds after. So I'll let up on the trigger. Let's see how long it runs. 2, 4, 5. About 5 seconds after I let up on the trigger. So this is a pretty neat compressor here. I think well built. Pop off the valve there, pull it off, and we're good to go. It's got a recall. It comes with a nice bag, carrying bag. And so it's actually pretty neat. And I want to give a shout out to my son, Gary Jr. Really thank him for this nice little gift. It's awesome. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.